In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a controller to iPhone COD Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the platform where you are playing COD Mobile, iOS or Android, you can connect and use a controller, including a DualSense controller known as the PlayStation 5 controller. So to do this, connect the controller to your device. This is going to be primarily done using Bluetooth. You can use a cable, and I'm going to talk about this later, but I highly recommend just using Bluetooth instead. The latency is going to be acceptable and it is much more convenient. So to do this, go into the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, make sure that it has been enabled, so tick the option on, and once Bluetooth is enabled, press and hold the PlayStation and the share button simultaneously on the controller for a few seconds. This will enable Bluetooth pairing mode. You will be able to tell because the light bar will start flashing, indicating that the controller is looking for nearby devices to pair with. Now, it is going to appear on the list of other devices when you go to the Bluetooth settings. So when you see the DualSense controller appear here, just tap on it and it will be transferred over to your devices. And it is going to have the connected status. So as long as it has sufficient battery, is powered on, and you enable Bluetooth pairing mode, you can get it to work here with your iPhone. Once it has been connected, you can go inside of COD Mobile or any other game that supports controllers, and if you head over to the settings and you choose the controller category, it should be connected. So this option here under settings should say connected. If it doesn't and it gives you the option to connect the controller instead, then you can tap on it and you will get this message. Please pair your controller with device via Bluetooth. So just follow the instructions again. Restart the controller if needed. Make sure that controller support is enabled. And with this done, you are good to go. You can head over to the key description and you will be instructed on what each of these buttons do when using your controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect controller to iPhone COD Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.